Hello there, how are you? Today, here we can check this website Best Loans for USA. Choose from the best loan companies offering special personal loans for debt consolidation, small business, home repairs, and more. With a personal loan, you can borrow money to consolidate high interest debt, finance a large purchase, or cover emergency expenses. Loan terms are usually less than 5 years and amount typically range from $1,000 to $1 lakh. The Federal Reserve had held interest rate near zero amid the pandemic, which can reduce the cost of personal loan. If you can get one, borrowers faced stricter lending standards during the coronavirus downturn, but that may soon change as the economy heat up again. Still, if you have strong credit and steady income, finding the best personal loan for your needs at low interest rate could save few thousands. Here's what you need to know about choosing personal lender and getting approved.